Okay, hello, my name is Gabriel Jaimes. I am in charge of the Astro3DBol project, and I would like to present to you some of the results that we have obtained from the project implementation in 2022 for Bolivia. This was supported and funded by Office of Astronomy for Development from the International Astronomical Union. So the project was based in previous education workshops, courses, and statistics that we have obtained with the San Agustin Educational Foundation and the National Astronomy Education Coordination in Bolivia from the AAU. Therefore, we identified some important challenges as results of surveys and feedback from educators. For example, that astronomy is not part of education curricula, and that education system has suffered many challenges in the last 10 years, and a great potential for archaeoastronomy as a regional context from Bolivia. So in this way, we have developed a proposal for the Astro3DBol project that consists in the 3D modeling, manufacture, and educational planning of the kits for implementation of a class of fundamentals in astronomy. This in context of Tiwanakota culture in Bolivia. This was possible through the participation of professionals in the field with a team of volunteers that includes expertise of education, astrophysics, geology, archaeology, and history. The project was implemented with a training workshop and a distribution of the kits with no cost for educators. Here we can see some of the definitions of the project. Moreover, some important outcomes that I can mention is to valorize in the community of educators about the Tiwanakota cultural heritage, to promote good practices for astronomy education and development of STEAM projects in Bolivia, and to contribute with regional academic content on astronomy education. Here we can see the final products for the design. We have developed 3 models. 2 of them are 3D printed. A complete guide for implementing a class was developed with 5 moments of education with 13 interactions. We call interactions to those activities that an educator can use for practical explanations for concepts or astronomy of time or position, detail of the Tiwanakota structures, or specific iconography or names. The models are Model A, Kalasasaya Temple, that is a representative architectural model of the Kalasasaya Temple that demonstrates fundamentals of astronomy of position and time. The Model B, Sun Gate, that is an iconographic representation model of La Puerta del Sol in Tiwanaku, and the Model C, that have the intentions for review sheets with Andean constellations for the use in the class. Each one of them with different visual, tactile, artificial light, or drawing interactions. Here we can see the implementation of the project in the workshop. Different people have participated in the workshop that was implemented in Cochabamba, Bolivia. Majority of these people were educators from public schools. In this event, we were able to provide them with the kit and the training in the use of the kit with no cost for the participants. The final result of the project consists in academic resources, the 2 3D printed models for implementation of an archaeoastronomy class, the Andean constellation figures, the academic plan that considers 13 interactions, the storage bag, and some online media. For example, we have developed an instructional video and the web page. The impact: 70 educators received the Astro3DBol KIT, a training workshop, and institutional certification with no cost. 30 kits were distributed for astronomy groups and museums. 71% of the participants work in a public school or academia, and also some proper initiatives for astronomy education in the use of the kit were developed. As here we can see in the Sipe province, one of the professors developed an astronomy meeting. Also, we have some impact in the school curricula. In 2023, Minister of Education included specific archaeoastronomy topics in the academic curricula for public schools, situation that makes the academic purpose of the Astro3DBol KIT suitable for implementation. In 2022, we have developed the National Intellectual Property Services for the rights registration of the kit. In the project, we have the intention to manufacture more kits and implement more training workshops with no cost for a constructive impact in the education for the region. Therefore, we are open to collaborate and support to keep continuity of the project and develop more 3D models. Here you can find our webpage, Facebook page, and our contact emails if you are interested to know more about the project. Thank you so much.